don't do it. We will now look at how to avoid it. You can add a quotation, but it is better to rewrite what the author said in your own words. This is called paraphrasing. We actually paraphrase in everyday life. For example, my friend Tom says to me on the phone, "I'm sick, I'm not going to come to work today." Then later at work, Joel asks me where Tom is, and I say, "Tom's not feeling well, he's going to stay at home." You can see that keywords have been changed, but the original meaning is the same. This is a paraphrased sentence. So that's everyday life, but paraphrasing academic texts can be more difficult because of the more complex grammar and vocabulary. Here are 4 ways that can help you paraphrase. Using synonyms and antonyms. First, identify the key words, the words that are important in the text, such as nouns and verbs. Then you can make the sentence in your own words by using similar or opposite words or phrases. These are called synonyms and antonyms. For example, universities also place the burden of understanding plagiarism and attribution conventions on students. The responsibility for learning how to reference correctly and avoid plagiarism tends to be passed from the university to the students, as Sutherland Smith found. It's useful to use a thesaurus. It's like a dictionary, but instead of giving definitions of words, it gives you synonyms and antonyms. Thesaurus.com is a good website to use. Let's show you an example. So to find examples of synonyms and antonyms you can paraphrase with, if you go to thesaurus.com, okay, and you will see a search bar at the top. Type in the word that you want to paraphrase and enter. And in the results, you will see first there is a list of synonyms, and the synonyms that are the most closely connected to the original word in meaning are in a darker colour of orange. And if you scroll down, you will also see the antonyms. So you can choose these words. If you're not sure which word to use, you can click on the word you might use but you're not sure, and you can click See Definition, and it will automatically go to dictionary.com and provide you with a definition and examples. Another useful technique is to change the word order or the order of ideas in a sentence or paragraph. Take this example. In the UK, many students prefer to take a gap year and travel before starting university. With a different word order, notice the changes in the paraphrased version. Before university starts, lots of British students travel for a year. In the original, the first part of the sentence is about the students travelling, then finishes with students starting university. In the paraphrased example, the part about university starting is first, then finishes about students travelling. Also notice that the key words have been changed for similar phrases and synonyms. Change the structure. Another way to be more original is to change the structure. That means changing the verb form, such as from active to passive, or changing the tense. For example, commercial whale hunting was banned in 1986 by the International Whaling Commission. In 1986, the International Whaling Commission made whaling illegal. Here you can see the first text is passive with the verb ban, but in the second paraphrase text it is active. Again, see how the keywords have been changed. Ban is an important word, so it's been changed to make illegal. Change the word form. You can also change the word form. You could change a verb into the noun form, for example. Scientists warn that smoking can damage your eyes. Warnings by scientists say there is damage to your eyes when you smoke. Notice which word forms have changed. The verb of warn has changed to the noun form, and the verb of damage has also been changed to the noun form. So, to review, the best way to avoid plagiarizing is to paraphrase, which means to rewrite an author's ideas in your own words. You can do this by using synonyms and antonyms, changing the word order, changing the structure, and changing the word form. Using some or all of these ways can help you to paraphrase and not plagiarize.